Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can check the spelling and correct mistakes like grammar or spelling mistakes in your texts on Inkscape. So let us get started. So let me navigate to this example document here and let me apply a spelling mistake to that example text here just for the sake of this tutorial. So I'm going to remove that L here, click into apply, and now that is clearly a spelling mistake. So this is how you can do it, guys. So right click into the given text box of your document and select check spelling, or use the shortcut Ctrl-Alt-K, or if you're using a Mac, Command-Alt-K. That is going to open up that check spelling tab here in your text properties. Select your language at the bottom, which is for me English in this case here, but you can go with any of these that are available here. And after that, start the check spelling by clicking into this button. And then you will see suggestions for detected mistakes. The detected mistake or word will also be highlighted with a box like this. And you will see corrections or suggested corrections here. So you may go with one of these. In this case here, the system here on Inkscape suggests using this one here at the top as being the most likely correction for spelling, because it's only the L we removed. So we're going to use that one. Click into accept here, and that is going to correct the mistake. That's it. After that, the mistakes will disappear because the mistake has been corrected. So you can start all over with the start button here, and now the system won't find any mistake anymore. That's it, guys. So thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.